Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. All of the major averages closed down ahead of Nvidia's after-hours earnings. The Nasdaq dropped the most, 1.2%. The S&P and Russell each lost about 0.6%, and the Dow closed down 0.4%. 9 of the 11 sectors in the S&P closed in the red. The biggest laggard, once again, technology, losing 1.3%. Consumer discretionary lost more than 1%. Communications down about 0.8%. And in perhaps the most highly anticipated earnings event this quarter, Nvidia is down despite an earnings beat. The company reported quarterly revenue of $30 billion, up 15% from last quarter and 122% from last year. It also reported record data center revenue, up 154%. The company announced $50 billion in share repurchases without expiration. As for its AI chips, CEO Jensen Huang said Hopper demand remains strong and Blackwell samples are shipping to our customers and partners. Crowdstrike shares rose following its first earnings report since the catastrophic July IT outage that crippled systems across the globe. The company promised it would emerge even more resilient and even more customer-obsessed as it plans aggressive investments in innovation. In its report, Crowdstrike posted 32% growth in annual recurring revenue and a record operating cash flow of $327 million. Meanwhile, Supermicro sold off today. Shares slipped 19% after the company delayed its 10K filing. Supermicro said it cannot file the form for its fiscal year ending June 30th without unreasonable effort or expense. This after Hindenburg Research alleged accounting manipulation within the company. Shares have plunged 64% off their 52-week high. It's a big day on the economic calendar tomorrow. We'll get data on GDP, jobless claims, and international trade in goods. Meanwhile, Best Buy, Dollar General, and American Eagle will all release earnings before the bell. And then Dell, Marvell, and MongoDB will lead tech-heavy earnings reports after the bell. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.